What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a little different than normal. We're not going to be working on cars, but we are going to be installing a car lift, which is really exciting. For us personally on the ranch, it's going to be really useful for working on our work trucks and other things. And then for me personally, I can work on my projects and hopefully be able to grow my channel more because of that, because I'll be able to do more stuff. So yeah, it's really exciting. As you can see, there's new concrete here. We cut out the old concrete just to see what the old stuff was like and put it down to thickness, dialed into the old concrete, and we have a good base for the lifts now. Then as you can see, there's one sitting up here, pretty much ready to go over. And then the other piece is over there. So, hey, that might break.
Yeah.
So yeah, really exciting. We don't know, we'll probably wait before we can start drilling on the concrete just to let it set up more. But we should be able to get it completely in spot, bolted together, ready. And then in a few more days, then we can drill, bolt it down, and it'll be ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna start by putting these posts up, and we got to put the support beam across the top, and then just start hooking everything up. right, guys, we're making a lot of progress with the lift here. It's been a day since the last video, or the last clip, but we have a lift for the most part. We just finished anchoring this side down. We'll do this side in the morning, but all the hydraulics are done, wiring's done. Technically it does work. Yeah, they take forever if they don't have weight.
And they probably bled.
Yeah, I was reading how to bleed it and everything, and so yeah, we're really close. Once we get those drilled, we can put the arms on and bleed it and do all the fun stuff, and then we can finally lift a vehicle up. Yeah, this is a 12,000 pound lift, so should be able to do all of our service trucks that we have, and then yeah, obviously anything else. So we're pretty excited. It's going to be a big game changer for us, not only at the ranch, but just as we work on vehicles. So wake up in the morning, do those, and then bleed it, and we will have a lift. Oh yeah, we officially have a lift. It is ready to go, completely installed, bled and everything. So we're just waiting a little longer for the concrete to dry, and then we're gonna be able to use it. Well guys, the lift is finally ready to use. So I have my Ascent here. Gonna be making a trip to Idaho soon. Oh, this is new. Look at that. Falling on a budget. But I want to do my oil change before we go to Idaho, and I've been waiting for the lift to be ready because I'm kind of tired of doing oil changes on the ground. What are you guys doing?
Learn how to weld.
Learn how to weld? Attaboy. Welding is one of the most fun things to do.
It's fun. Once you get the hang of it, it's a lot of fun.
So we'll just pull through here. The shop's kind of a disaster because we are in the middle of redoing it. I don't really know where to start. Something like that. So when you're lifting a new vehicle, you want to make sure you always find the pinch welds and the lift points and make sure the vehicle's balanced good. So I'll typically raise it up a little bit, get a little shake, and make sure that it's sturdy. Now this is kind of as high as I can go right now, for one, because I have a cargo carry up there. Then for two, we're actually going to be cutting out these rafters here because our lift, as you can see, is taller than the rafters. So we're going to support them up so we can cut out the middle, and we shouldn't lose any rigidity there. But until then, we can't go up all the way, but I'm just doing an oil change and rotating tires, so that doesn't really matter. So these new FA 24 motors, they take like 4.8 quarts. Honestly, I usually just put all 5 in. I was pretty excited about the lift for the oil change, but I'm even more excited for rotating tires, because it sucks lifting up half the car, switch the tires and lift up the other half of the tires. But with this, you can just lift up the whole thing. Well, guys, I think that's it for this one. I know it's a little different from what you guys are used to. A little bit different for me, which is good. Feels good to just do something nice, or just to do something different instead of just working on our projects, which I love. But just good to mix things up, you know. So yeah, I'm super excited about the lift. It's just gonna be a big help on the channel, and I'm excited for things that we're gonna be able to do with it. I'm excited for next year. I have some big things in mind that I want to get going, and I want to take you guys along for the ride. So more Subaru videos are coming, more truck videos are coming. We still have lots to do on both of those, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like. That helps me out a lot, because that lets YouTube know that, hey, you like what I'm doing. And if you don't like it, well, I guess just move on. So thank you guys. I appreciate all of you. It's been a good year. This is the year that I monetize my channel, which is a huge goal for me that I've been working towards. And I couldn't have done it without all of you guys who watch and support me. So thank you guys. Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.